Oh, what do we have here? Trafficker gets snitched on, becomes enraged. Lake City, Florida.
How are you?
Looks like my grandma's house.
No, it's not Thunder High.
Oh, okay.
I stopped here to get some water for the people.
Do you know these people?
No. I asked if I could get some water, though.
Okay.
They said I could.
Okay.
So it's Thunder High.
Okay.
Well,
I was just wondering. It just ran hot when I got behind you?
He gives me creepy vibes.
Okay.
Very, very creepy vibes. Oh my god.
11, 40, 11, 4. Turn around for me.
Oh, what the hell?
What have I done?
I'll explain to you.
Can I let me say that?
Nah, not right now.
What have I done?
$11.44, you can 22 on it. $11.40 coming over here. I have whiskey, Mike, whiskey, Foxtrot, 10. Walk right here.
Why am I being arrested?
That's definitely.
Why am I being arrested?
I don't know. Obviously, there's a reason for her to be detained, so. Here, let go of this. There's a reason y'all pulled in here. I'm not dumb, okay?
He like, what the hell going on?
Do you understand why you're detained? You see what was on the hood?
No.
There's a bag of meth.
Where?
Alright, I'll show you.
Oh shit.
What's up?
She touched something in the wheelbarrow. I'm thinking, you know.
What did she
So when
touch?
we got out, and we went to walk up here, she touched something up in there. Shift to the right. Which I think it might be the meth that I found right here on the ground.
Probably.
Meth.
But as soon as I got out and I walked around, she lit down over here somewhere. Oh, right here. Look.
Oh, perfect. And you saw her kneel down right there?
Yeah, she was kneeling down right here.
You know it's some good stuff when it's getting put in a Crown Royal bag. A Crown alcohol. I love me some Crown vanilla and apple.
But they saw her too.
Oh damn.
Pretty good.
The female.
Hey, Morgan. The bag that you got out with that you stuck in the wheel well that's full of meth is also
Did you just live up there?
No, we pulled it out of the wheel.
Live up there on me with the dope bag that you just dropped.
You know what's funny is someone else.
Violation reason.
Someone else.
This is a consensual encounter.
This is called police brutality. Swear, sir. Let me tell you this. This is police brutality. You cannot pull up on people like this, like you and her are doing.
You're going back to prison.
Not jail, her going to prison. He about to tell it. He about to tell it on the mountain.
Get some gloves.
You already in the back of a cop car. You're not going nowhere else.
It's all on camera.
Traffic violation stop.
It's all.
What's your traffic violation stop?
It was a consensual encounter.
No. What'd you pull up for? What was your reason to pull up?
I don't need a reason to pull up.
Yes, you do.
Okay.
Yes, you do.
Well,
Look at me.
ask
Look
me
at
what.
me.
I don't need
In
what.
court, yes, you do.
Okay.
Everybody else might get booed up, but I know the law.
Okay, cool. We'll see how far it goes.
I know my rights.
It's more. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Do you have anything on you? Anything inside you? Anything like that?
Yeah, actually, when I contest me on too, because I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know, both of y'all, this is going to be my 5th charge that I'm going to beat, that y'all planted. This is slander. This is police brutality.
Her 5th charge. Damn, baby.
Maybe change the signal 31 and test me.
You get caught that many times. You need to stop. What if there was a wet lab in there and my rhymes with Beth?
Over there, dog.
I got a pocket full of stones.
Hey, if it's in the car too,
Can
you explain it?
I'm done. I didn't. I'm done.
Perfect.
I'm done. You tell me we have a whiskey pot shot.
Yep.
Oh, what do we have here? Oh, damn. They about to have a good old time. And even as a crack fiend, mama, you always was the black queen, mama. Damn.
She got out and put it under the wheel well when I pulled up. So
Anything else in the truck?
okay. Well, I'm gonna tow the truck. I'm probably gonna tow the truck because we're getting close to trafficking them out, and
That ain't enough to traffic. They playing with that. Come on, man.
well, you were using your vehicle. She was using your vehicle to transport methamphetamines. And Columbia is a zero tolerance on drugs. I have zero tolerance on drugs. Yeah, I know that. And I told you, like I told you last time, if I caught you slipping, you're going.
Ooh. He caught you slipping, bud.
I didn't know it was in there. I slipped on.
Okay.
What is that? Gotta start playing Wiz Khalifa when you see stuff like that.
14.7.
Oh.
0.8. Another traffic. Yeah.
That boy came with the scale.
Hey, here you go.
What is under his seat?
Magnetic bolts.
Magnetic what?
Yep. It's got some residue, but it's empty. Yeah. Okay. Well, the lock box, the magnetic box that people always have their tracking amount of dopes in it, was right there at your feet.
There's nothing in it though.
Okay.
I don't carry that for that.
Okay. There's meth residue in it.
No, there's not.
Yeah, there is.
Oh, come on, man. Don't tell me you was messing around.
Where?
Come on, Nathaniel.
All that
Oh,
little...
he definitely been, yeah.
That's
Look at his
meth
face.
residue. I promise you that's not meth residue.
Okay, I'm gonna swab it and find out.
Go ahead. Yes, sir. Go
There's
ahead.
also another bag of meth in your truck. So, what's up?
What's in that pimple on the dash?
I don't know. I haven't got that far.
Damn. She got eagle eyes. Cornbread. You want your cornbread? Yeah, right. I want my damn cornbread.
Hey, she's kicking on your car.
What is she kicking for?
And I haven't even done anything wrong, and I can't breathe in this cop car.
Are you gonna stop
and y'all
yelling?
even have a bolo. You have no reason for even a traffic violation.
A bolo?
And yet you come two cops deep. Do y'all know how stupid y'all gonna look like in court? In court, do you know how stupid y'all look? I can't breathe.
You can't breathe, but you going off on the officers. You got to pick your battles, because either you don't know what your body doing or you don't understand what you said. Because I can't breathe, but you could articulate strong ass sentences with higher frequencies in your voice. Come on now.
We're already
I'm
past.
I'm an innocent person right now.
Do you want me to roll the window down?
You got me in a hot box putting dope on me.
There's more meth in the car.
Traffic violation.
There's more meth in the car.
I don't give a fuck what's in that car. You don't have a traffic violation to even be doing what you're doing.
Okay.
I just cracked it so that someone can go
You
through.
have no ground to walk
She ain't cut the air on for that poor lady.
on right now.
Okay.
She should hear me.
Well, you'll learn the laws.
Listen to me. I know the fucking law.
Okay.
You have no ground to roll up on somebody and do what you just did.
If you don't stop yelling, you're gonna get additional.
I can't breathe. I'm
Okay.
a citizen of this whole country, world. I'm a human
Morgan,
being.
Morgan.
And you're treating me like I am some fucking criminal and I don't do anything.
Are you gonna listen to me or no?
You're treating me like
You're gonna.
wrong.
You are doing something wrong right now. You look.
can't
You see this
breathe.
guy right here? You're causing a public disturbance.
You're just put me in a cop car and treating me like a criminal and I didn't even do anything.
For meth.
You don't even have a traffic violation.
We have a trafficking amount of meth.
You have no traffic violation.
I don't need a traffic violation. Did I turn my lights on? Did I turn my lights on?
I would not be arguing with this lady. Like, she already going down. We not finna rub it in her face. Like, she got to deal with that shit.
You have to have a reason to stop.
Did I stop you?
Sir. Sir.
Enjoy your day.
Sir.
Enjoy your day.
Sir, listen to me. Listen to me, help me, please.
Did I stop you?
Listen, let me tell you something.
Who stopped you?
You're going to regret this because I know the law.
Okay, who stopped you?
I don't care what it is. You have to have a light up. You have to have a reason to be pulling me over, to be doing what y'all just did.
You voluntarily got out of the truck and
just so you detained me for what reason?
because you dropped meth on the ground.
I didn't drop nothing on the ground. Hey, where was your light?
Lock your car.
Buddy? We don't need them. Hey, where's your light?
Yeah, I'll let you before we go. Yeah.
I ain't never met her sister, man. Be honest,
Well, she don't know it either. She said it's all yours. Listen
Oh, I would have turned up her so fast. I would have started telling everything.
to her.
it's not mine. I promise you that. Have I ever lied to you before?
Well,
Have I?
you're on imminent release for sale, manufacture, deliver of drugs.
A long time ago. I've changed my license then, man.
You haven't changed your life if you got her in the car. I promise you.
I-
And the people that you had with you last time.
He like, I'm just telling her what to do now. I'm retired.
I was just giving her a ride, man.
You were just giving them a ride too, and here we are. I don't really know if I have much on him.
What the hell? Why they got their clothes out in the air like that? That's what y'all do?
Residue. Brittany, where was this one at? On her side?
Pretty much everything was on her side. Except for that one. This was in her.
This was right there between the driver's seat, right there. That one.
I don't know. The only thing that's mine is that black box right there. That black box, that's mine.
It is yours.
That is mine, but it's not, that's not residue seal.
So what is it then?
I mean, there's something in it, but that was in the back.
That black box won't check box. No, that's not.
That's the only thing I've ever seen them used for is dope.
No. I just keep it for little chargers and stuff like that.
I mean, I see them all the time.
Yeah, I believe it. That's not what I use it for. I put it for chargers and shit like that.
So you had no idea none of this was in your car?
No idea. Not a
How do you know her? Because I've been watching her, and she's been wheeling and dealing
Just been a
for
friend
weeks
for a
now.
long time, and me and her kind of used to date back in the day. We'll talk.
How did she get in touch with you today?
She called me.
And said what?
She was getting kicked out of her house, and she needed a ride.
Where at?
Palm House.
For somebody that can't breathe, she still got a lot of yelling power.
So did you ever actually stop anywhere over here?
Yeah. But the girl wasn't home.
The girl went home?
Yeah, some chick, I don't know her name.
Where at over there? Can you describe it to me?
Down at the left in that trailer park down there.
All the way down? Where at? Like
Yeah.
there's 4 different roads back there.
It's like the one, I think it's the second road when you pull in there. Second or third.
So you turn on to the right or to the
To the
left?
left.
To the left.
I mean,
And then where from there?
it's one of the trailers right there.
Whoa. He giving up vital information. Hold on, we gotta repeat
I
that.
mean,
And then where from there?
it's one of the trailers right there.
Mm.
I'm not lying to you, man. I've been doing good. I had no idea.
I mean, I don't think you're a complete innocent party in this, but I'm trying to help you out too because I mean, obviously it was all pretty much on her.
Yeah, there's some big charges. I don't take charges for nobody.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a good truth, yeah.
You say he gonna be a good snitch?
You guys so much good on your head. You know how bad
Hey, Morgan.
No, sir. You have no ground to do this to me.
Okay.
I don't give you a hard time. I ain't in your hair. I don't do nothing to you. I ain't worried about what you do.
You ain't paying Marvin either, so you did something.
I don't got no time for this bullshit. This is crazy.
Do you want me to show me what I found though?
I don't give a fuck what you found. You
That's-
have no
that's
reason
my
to
job,
go
though.
like this.
That's my job, to
No,
get
what your
dope off the
job is to
street.
do is to be justice. Your job is to find people who are doing wrong, not to pull up
Found him.
on people who are sitting
So you're
with their
saying
hot truck.
you're saying a
and
trafficking?
you plant dope on somebody because you do dope. Because you do dope or you use it against people. You're either doing one or the other. Because I know that for a fact. I have 3 other different people that have you on camera, bro. You hear me?
Everything's on camera.
No,
So
no, it's not. I guarantee you that part wasn't. You might want to pick and choose because your lights wasn't on when you pulled up in here.
It doesn't matter.
Yes, the fuck it does.
Okay.
You look at me. Yes, it does.
Do you want to tell me?
Listen to me. If you had a traffic violation and a reason to pull up here.
I mean, the tent is illegal. Do you want me to turn my lights on for you?
No, your reason.
Here, hold on. I'll go turn my lights on for you. Make you feel better.
In court, you're gonna
Yeah, asshole, and I love it.
look like a fucking idiot. Okay. And you're gonna lose your job. Because this isn't the first time. You have no traffic violation to even pull me over and you detain me.
I can stop
and
I can stop to talk to anybody I want to.
No, you can't.
Yes.
No, the
You
fuck
can stop to talk to me anytime you want
talk
to.
to somebody, but you don't plant dope on them and detain them. That's what you just did.
I didn't even detain you. Who detained you?
This is police brutality.
Who detained you?
You are detaining me. You are talking to me. She is talking to me. Both of y'all are both equally responsible.
Okay. So
You have no traffic violation.
She watched you.
You're also on a private road here, buddy.
Okay. She watched you.
I don't give a fuck what she asked. She watch anything. She didn't watch a fucking thing because y'all are full of shit. I cannot wait till hey.
She's meaner than a junkyard dog.
Listen,
You have a you have a traffic control now.
I don't have a fucking thing. You're gonna have a problem with me.
Okay.
Why you pull forward when you see something there, y'all back up?
They started hollering at us. But they were hollering at the dogs, so I backed up and asked them to get some water.
She don't want her to say anything.
I haven't went back and talked to her yet. I just tested it for you.
Which one?
This
Oh,
one.
perfect. All right, we'll get her back.
She got a pocket full of meth.
Yeah, I'll let you. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm probably just gonna cut you loose.
Give me your phone.
Give you what?
I don't have mine in. I'm just going to see if she'll just give me her name and number.
Get it from him if you're gonna set him loose. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, would she?
I don't know. I'm going to ask.
See, you should be willing to write a statement, but
I'm being honest with
She gonna lose her shit when she see him walking back to his truck.
hey, if just so you know, I don't have to have a reason to come talk to you. Like, I just simply pulled up here to have a personal conversation with you. It's called a citizen contact. Okay, that's why I didn't turn my lights on. That's why I didn't block y'all in. Okay, so that's what she's screaming. But it's not gonna work. I mean, at the end of the day, she's the one that got out. I didn't stop y'all. I didn't say, hey, stop. Y'all both got out. She dropped dope on the ground, and the other deputy watched her walk to the wheel well and kneel down. And right where she kneeled down at, there was a Crown Royal bag full of dope. So, slam dunk all day long, and then they all witnessed it too. So,
I'm gonna be like that.
probably.
Oh, he about to tell it all.
But you need to let this be a wake-up call.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I have enough to tow your truck all day. I mean, you were transporting a trafficking amount of dope.
Nah, I didn't know it though. Please
Well.
don't. I'm finally on my feet doing good.
I appreciate you being cool, man.
He ain't gonna never do this shit ever again. This is gonna be his scare straight moment.
That goes a long way with me.
Oh, watch this shit. I can't wait to hear her reaction.
You ain't put nothing in my car, right? You don't have nothing in your drawers?
No.
Damn, trafficking, methamphetamine. Okay, misdemeanor possession of drug equipment, resisting officer without violence. Oh, damn. Oh yeah, she's stuck in that for a little while. Oh, 252,000. Shit. Ain't no way I would want to do that. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it.